Hey guys, so today we're gonna make some rice in our Instapot. So first thing I'm gonna do is give you my recipe, and I don't know if it's like my recipe or how I came about it, but here it goes. If I do 2 cups of rice, I do 2.5 cups of water. And also you could use some whey, or you could use some chicken stock, whichever you would like to use. But I always use water because we have that all the time. And it's 2 cups of rice, 2.5 cups of water. And always I do a couple teaspoons of salt. That's your choice, but like I use the kosher salt. Then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna do 4 cups today because my boys eat a lot of rice. So we are gonna do 4.5 cups of water. All right, let's start. With 4.5 cups of water. And I'm gonna get the rice out. I always use Uncle Ben's. This is the one the boys like a lot. Just do the 4 cups of rice. And I'm gonna go ahead and stop that so you don't have to see that part. Rice is in. And here is my little salt pig. 1 teaspoon, 2, 3, and 4. And like I said, that's your choice. You don't have to add the salt. And I'll put my little salt pig back. So now I go ahead and take a spoon, stir this up to mix it in so that the water is all rice is distributed in the water, and that way it won't stick to the bottom. Most of the time it does a little bit. That's because I forgot to turn it off on the warming cycle. Keep warm, and then go ahead now, put your lid on. Make sure you're sealed, and now we're gonna push the rice button, and voila, she does the rest. Okay, and I'll be back with the finished product. See, we only have 1 minute left, and then we're gonna do the quick release, and we will have some yummy rice. Stopped. It is now, you can see too, both of them are over, and it is sealed. So I'm gonna put the towel right on this, and I'm gonna hit the release the steam. And you can see all the steam coming up. And then once all the steam is released, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So I'll go ahead and wait for that, and then now it's ready to open up. Let's see what we have. Oh, looky there, looky there. Hold on, let the steam go. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful rice. Okay, guys, well, that is it. Now, all we do is, you could serve it with some butter and salt and pepper, whatever, or add something else to it, whatever dinner you're having. Yummy, delicious. Bye. Go ahead and cancel this now because it will stick to the bottom. I just turn it off and go ahead and unplug the machine. But if you do want to keep it warm, if you just keep the lid on, that will be enough to keep it warm for a while. Alrighty. Again, thank you for watching.